define the term dawah, and from our last show on Islaah, how does that differ from dawah?
Alhamdulillah. Wassalatu wassalam. Ala Rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajmain. Amma ba'd. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. As far as the word dawah is concerned, when anyone hears the word dawat, especially the people from the subcontinent, India and Pakistan, the moment they hear the word dawat, immediately they start thinking of mutton biryani or chicken biryani. They start thinking of a lunch party. Dawat does not mean a lunch party. Dawa or dawat means an invitation. And today, we will not be discussing about an invitation to a lunch party or dinner party. We are discussing about Dawat al-Islam, the invitation to Islam. And an invitation can only be given to an outsider. So dawah, that is the reason, can be only done to a non-Muslim. When we give information about Islam to a non-Muslim, inviting him towards Islam, the Arabic word used is dawah. And the meaning of the Arabic word Islaah is to repair. It means to improve. So when we speak about Islam to a Muslim, giving him more information about Islam, the more appropriate word is Islaah. Though both these words are interchangeable, but if you want to use specifically, the word Islaah is used when we speak about Islam to a Muslim, giving him more information, and dawah is a word used when we speak about Islam to a non-Muslim, inviting him towards the fold of Islam.